Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to create a graphic design for a coffee mug. Let's see how we can create it using Canva. So come over to Canva if you already have an account and log in, and if you don't then definitely sign up. Go over to the search bar and search for graphic design. Select the first one, that is graphic design to cover. You will be redirected to this. Change the heading. I will just change it to cup, uh, I guess. So I have this background with me. I'm going to select this background, expand it from each and everywhere I can. So this is the background, but it is too dark. Let's make it a little lighter so that it is more good and good looking. Let's add a heading which is uh, milk, and then change the color, and I'm going to choose this color. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to choose this color. Increase the font a little bit so it looks good. Also changing the font is also important. I guess I am going to do a little more changes in this because this is not looking as it should look. A little more so that it's more prominent, and then come over to element section and choose the elements. So first I'm going to choose the leaves and rotate this and put it inside here. Control CV, and again where is the rotation option? Rotate to this. Okay, and rotate it to here. Then we are also going to need some coffee beans items. So this is one coffee bean which I am going to add it at the bottom, and on top of it I'm going to add a coconut tree, which will definitely look good. Okay, these cocoa beans will go backward and the transparency will be lighter so that the milk is definitely visible, but the nuts cells are not visible. So let's do one thing, let's change the color to this and change the transparency to a little one, and give me a second. I'm just changing it to absolutely black so it is visible more. Change the transparency. Yeah, that is perfectly fine. Add this to here. Add a text that is uh, hold it, drink it, hold it, drink it. A very basic simple text. I'm going to add it on top of it, and that is how you create it. Now if you are wondering that how it will look on a coffee mug and what are things that we can do, then do it in my channel, and after one day I will be uploading all the different variety of templates that I am able to make and show you the final output in my shorts. In the YouTube shorts you will be able to see. Thank you so much for attending this. We will meet next time. Have a nice day.